Tycho reminds me how important education is to keep our skills up as an anaesthetist, particularly when we have increasing demands in the health service. So it's been a really great day so far.
I think the team's put together a really good program, and the organising committee has been fantastic in helping to support this and get it all happening for all our pain fellows for today.
So day one of the scientific content, we've opened up today with the opening plenary.
Yeah.
Went really well. Our speakers were really impressive this morning, I thought.
They were. I mean, they were all really different, but really good.
Well, I think it's been a fantastic start to the meeting. I've just come from the paediatric TIVA session, which was absolutely fascinating. I feel like I learned lots of new things that I'm going to be able to take back to work with me.
I went to the perioperative pre-admission workshop. It's very informative, very up-to-date, and it was very interesting discussions that were well facilitated, so that was wonderful.